Hi, this is my Module 1 for AEP 858, my introduction video. To kind of start off with, I'm Elsie. I just finished my second year of teaching in May, and for those first 2 years I was a second grade teacher. This year I decided to kind of switch it up, and now I am a fifth grade teacher. So kind of jumped from primary to intermediate within my school. Same school, just different grade level. Within my teaching career, so my 3 years, I have been working with the same district. And this district, we are a 4A school. Well, the high school is to kind of give a population idea. And this is in Ottawa. Our school actually is the highest percentage of like title services within our district. We do have 3 elementary schools. So that just kind of gives you a brief synopsis of what my district is like and the school that I teach in. As far as leadership opportunities, I have coached tennis for the past 2 years. I had done women's, and now I'm just doing men's, which is in the spring, just to kind of finish up these classes. As far as my professional future, I don't have any intention of trying to become an administrator within the school in any time in the future. But this kind of keeps my options open and lets me kind of understand more about the inner workings of the district and the school regarding the administrator. Some of these things, it's been kind of insightful to learn about, even though I don't have to deal with much just being a fifth grade teacher. It's still good information to have. So to kind of move on to this critical reflection part, analyzing and how we use data within our school to kind of adjust instructional decisions. Last year was a big year for our district in data and how we change our curriculum and how that curriculum better fits our student and teacher needs. So to kind of start with that, our district has been using data to improve curriculum and make choices for our staff and students. Obviously, this is something that happens all the time, but as far as like within our school and district, this is what we're seeing a lot more of. So this is our grade card standards. We had like 3rd through 5th, and then obviously actually 3rd through 12th grade, you would do letter grades, and kindergarten through 2nd was just kind of meet standards, exceeds, still needs helps and services. So our grade card is now standard-based grading, and we've kind of shifted to that because I think it helps students and parent needs and understand how things are working. So that's some data that we found. As for testing information and placement, we use our MAP tests specifically to kind of gauge where students are at. So that's the data that we've used as administrators and me as a teacher. As far as my own critique for our personal knowledge, I use group data. So obviously all teachers tier their students. We've been doing, my grade level team and I have been doing assessments where we group students on ability levels within math and reading, and just how we pull small groups, just kind of like that. So our data kind of helps with that. And then we try and help the students master the skills so they can be better teacher helpers as well. And we kind of gauge who needs the services just like that. And our title does the exact same thing, where they're testing students to see who needs those title services, who is below grade level, and things like that. So moving on to the last slide, which is our plan and my proposal that can kind of help improve and enhance my current knowledge. I obviously have not been teaching very long, so I know that there's a lot that I can improve on. My own proposal is hopefully this class will kind of help me dive deeper into understanding data and the purpose of it. I think we've all probably sat through meetings that we think, what is the point of this? Like, I could be planning, I could be doing something in my classroom. So learning how to better accommodate the data and how we can relate that to parents and teachers could be a huge benefit to us. So I kind of look forward to that and my own proposal onto what I can do, because understanding my grade level standards would definitely help with data. I haven't been in 5th grade but more than a week with my students, so understanding that and kind of relating it to the students' needs and our curriculum and what better choices we can make. And obviously there's always asking questions. You can never know enough. Referring to teammates, administrators, district staff to kind of help you with this process is always going to be beneficial. So this is my introduction video. Thank you for watching.